Hi, I'd like to show you a project that I did using the QPET controller board. And I built a model car here. So this is built out of materials you can find in the classroom or makerspace. Here's the QPET controller board, and it will be used to control the wheels, of course, as well as the headlights, and there'll be music that plays when it goes backwards. So I'm controlling that with the Bluetooth controller here. It's paired to my handphone. This is free from the Play Store. And now I'll make it go a little faster for a little more excitement. Yeah, that's better.